Yeah, I'll wait for Garrett to get in here to explain to you.
Okay. We're good.
I'm still getting used to this, man.
I got you.
Was Garrett with you just now, or what?
No, he's outside. I think I saw him. Yeah. He's out the. Waiting for Garrett to come in. He's over at the.
Alright, so who we got?
So I'm gonna wait for Garrett to get in here to show you guys everything, because I'm still kind of getting used to the job. Okay.
What pepper spray? I heard something about that.
Oh, pepper spray.
Did anybody mention that?
I don't think I don't hear anything about pepper spray.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure.
That's why I'm just waiting for Garrett. He got one selection.
I saw him at the self checkout.
Yeah, he got selection on all of it. He's just getting all the prices and everything so we can get everything ready.
Cool.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
We can take this.
Thanks, I appreciate it. I'll hang around though. Alright. So you can just follow my lead. Yeah, you can close it. You guys talk about anything before I got in here?
Nope.
Alright.
Just waiting for
Just gotta let you guys know that we got our body worn cameras on today.
Yep.
So, what's going on?
So, that's why I was waiting for Garrett to come in here to explain more to you, because he was more on the camera than I was.
Okay.
So he's going to be able to explain more, but mostly it's concealment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Is this your suspect?
Yeah.
Alright. What's your name, man? Robin. Truman Hostler.
also Cartagena.
And we'll go with Karabin. It's impossible to pronounce. Just give us a minute. We'll see what information he's going to give us. If they do want to press charges for shoplifting, we're just going to have to take it down to headquarters and do some processing. We'll wait until he gets back with that information.
Yeah, man, I'm still kind of getting used to the job.
It's all good, man.
Yeah, I just got back. They just transferred me here like a week or two ago. That's it.
No?
So is he.
Yeah. It's my second week.
Yeah?
Yep.
It's cool, bro. How you liking it?
I love it.
Yeah? My brother's a cop too. He just started his auxiliary.
Grab our ID.
Yeah, do you have your ID, man? You don't have an ID?
Alright. Just take down information when we get it.
Alright. So you said first name Robin?
Yeah, with a Y.
How do you spell that then?
R-O-B-Y-N.
And then what's your last name, Robin?
K-A-R-A-B-I-N.
B-I-N? Okay, what's your date of birth there, Robin? What's your address? I'm sorry? This one?
So you stopped her before she walked out.
Yeah. She went off. She was stuffing stuff in her jacket and her purse, stuff like that. Whole basket of stuff I had out there. Still standing through it.
Alright. So you guys want to press charges?
Yeah.
You don't know the amount yet?
No, it's over 200, but I don't have the exact number yet.
Over 200?
Yeah.
Alright.
What's the end of the her walking out with it.
Yeah, it's just stuff in her purse right there.
Alright, so she was about to walk out. And you stopped her right there?
Yeah.
Alright, sounds good. You guys got the statement form here, everything here?
Yes, I do.
I got a couple too if you need them. I know you got.
They're on that side.
Alright. So, Wilson, you can handcuff her. Maybe you gotta come with us. We're gonna take it down, process you for shoplifting. Saw the video. It's probably going to take a couple hours, and we'll get you out of there.
A couple hours?
1 or 2 hours. Leave your belongings over there.
I got you.
Take those off, please. Put them over there. He's just going to check real quick, and then we'll handcuff you. James might stay back and grabbing all the other info. Are those your belongings, or did you take those from here?
Or these?
No, those are mine.
These are yours?
Yeah.
These are
Those are
AirPods?
mine. Yeah.
Hey man, you know.
That light bulb? That's definitely ours.
Alright, yeah, there's more stuff in here if you want to just let us know what
Yeah,
yours
what's what?
Like this mine.
That's nice. That's all that stuff's mine.
I should give you everything.
And then, like, maybe this was already mine. Like, I.
Alright, we'll grab the rest.
These are, like, the batteries that I already had.
Alright, let me take that out. Everything that out.
Okay. That's,
These are hers.
There's nothing that's supposed to be sticking or anything in here?
no. I think these were already mine.
Take it all out.
Okay.
Put it right here. Put it right in front of you.
Oh yeah, and here's what my target receipt from.
You can leave it all right there. We'll sort that out.
Is there anything in your hat?
What's in your hand, man?
My vape.
Put that down.
You put that down.
Headphones. Put that down too.
I think you just took them, right?
Yeah, they're right there. Nothing else in the purse is theirs? Alright, you can throw her ID in there. Trash.
Put your hands up now. Are these pins?
Oh yeah, those are push pins.
Push pins?
These are hers.
Yep.
Push pins there, man.
They can go in there.
These are all theirs or who's these?
These are.
No.
He says Jones gonna look and see whose it is.
Dump everything on the thing. When the car goes through, they can transport the bag back. You get the body, you get the bag.
I'm going to just pat you on the back.
So your wallet?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll put that in your bag.
All right, you
Good.
can let go of the hat. I put your hand behind your back. I'm going to take this watch off so it won't bother you. Okay?
Yeah.
You mind just grabbing his information?
I'm also going to double lock these.
You trying to come in?
Yeah.
Double lock up on that, all right?
2 seconds.
I was gonna ask you, have they didn't have stuff. You left it at guest service?
No, it's at the register.
Good?
Yep, we're all
Alright, so you're
All
gonna car
in our
3.
car?
3. And then whatever is hers, if you want to bring it back, and whatever is hers. We got a cage.
It's going to come all the way.
You guys get the divine first.
Okay.
And then get the paperwork done and get the email finished.
Send Wilson back here whenever you
No,
guys
no,
finish.
Wilson can walk out with it. Alright, because it's over 200, so we need a divine form.
Yep.
Hey Wilson, we're gonna put her in my car. Yeah. Yep. Sorry.